Hello everyone, welcome all to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic who is the greatest devotee of all from the teachings of Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. If you have any suggestion regarding this video, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, press the subscribe button and bell icon near it so that you don't miss any video updates. Who is the greatest devotee of all? He who gives himself up to the self, that is God, is the greatest devotee of all. Giving one's self up to God means remaining constantly in the self without giving room for the rise of any thoughts other than the thoughts of self. Whatever burdens are thrown on God, He bears them. Since the supreme power of God makes all things move, why should we, without submitting ourselves to it, constantly worry ourselves with thoughts as to what should be done and how, and what should not be done and how not? We know that train carries all loads, so getting on it, why should we carry our small luggage on our head to our discomfort instead of putting it down in the train and feeling at ease? Thank you.